Hello everyone. Now we are going to see about manpower planning. What is manpower planning? How many persons are required to complete the job, complete the specified project? That is called as manpower planning. That is the process by which an organization ensures that it has the right number of people and the right kind of people at the right place at the right time, doing things for which they are economically most useful. Features of manpower planning. It aims at ascertaining the manpower needs of the organization both in right numbers and right kind. Second point, it includes an inventory of present manpower in order to determine the status of the present supply of available personnel and to discover undeveloped talent within the organization. Manpower planning also assesses future manpower requirements. To be effective, manpower planning must focus not only on the people involved but also on the working conditions and relationship in which they work. What is the need for manpower planning in the organization? What is the need? Yes? It is. Ensures optimum use of human resources currently employed. Okay? To determine the recruitment level and to determine the optimum training levels, to assess the future accommodation requirements, everything. Okay? So, factors to be considered. Goals or objectives of business, support of top level management, well-organized personnel department, the determination of related policies, organization-related policies, these are the policies, these are the persons we need to hire, and then responsibility, fixing planning period, manpower standards. Okay, these are all the limitations of manpower planning. It is very difficult to analyze such situations that this is the need incorporates. The need may be immediately rise or immediately decrease. So that is very difficult to calculate how much HR is required, how much human resources is required for a period of time. Okay. So scarcity may be there, inflation may affect, cost because recruitment and manpower plan is the costliest process. You need to go for, you need to invest the such amount so that you need to go for a very good manpower planning. What is the process? You need to analyze the corporate and unit level strategies, demand forecasting, supply forecasting, and you need to estimate the net manpower requirement. So in case of future surplus, then you need to plan for redeployment also. So this is a process. What can you do in case of future deficit? Plan for recruitment, plan for modify and adjust, and degree of uncertainty and length of planning period should be analyzed. Manpower inventory means what? Manpower inventory involves classification of characteristics of personnel in an organization in addition to counting the number. Okay? The term inventory is often used in relation to counting of physical objects like raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, products, etc. Classification of characteristics of personnel in an organization in addition to counting their numbers. Both present and future characteristics of our personnel are recorded in manpower inventory. So this is the first step in manpower planning inventory is to decide who should form a part of it. Whether inventory should be in relation to only executive or it should cover all persons in organization. After determining the persons to be included in the manpower inventory, information regarding them is collected in considerable detail. Some information is collected from the records while some may be collected through meetings or talks with the concerned people. Okay. So summary statement should get. Then the next step is to pass to the talent catalog. What is the talent is required? So that is the thing. Manpower forecasting. So trend analysis, ratio analysis, scatter plot, computerized forecast, managerial judgment. See, these trend analysis, ratio analysis and scatter plot and all, it's a statistical tool you may use, then computerized forecasting techniques, then managerial judgment. This is based upon the experience you may get. Okay. Supply forecasting should be done. Then HR audit is there. So what is a skill inventory? Audit for non-manager is skill inventories. Audit for managers is management inventories, skill inventories, personal data of the individual, skills, specialized qualification, salary, job history, company data, capacity of individual, special preference of an individual and all. Then management inventories, work history, strength, weakness, promotional potential, career goals, personal data of an individual, number and types of employees supervised, total budget managed, previous management duties. Oh, thank you very much for seeing this video.